Hi everyone, it's never been easier to find items that are good for the environment. If you want to help the environment and are going to redecorate your home, make sure you select these eco-friendly options. They will help you leave a much smaller carbon footprint. In this video, we will explore eco-friendly home decor ideas for fall season. Select your wood with care if you really want a new piece of furniture, but also want to help stop trees from being cut down. Make sure it's made from FSC-approved wood. This wood was grown in a way that doesn't hurt the environment, and items with the FSC's tick tree mark are made from it. These 10 rules tell you how to cut wood so you can be sure that the furniture you buy was made from wood that followed them. It's much better for the earth than regular furniture because of this. Choose curtains with insulation. You'll save money on your energy bills for years to come if you switch out your regular blinds for thermal ones. This is an easy choice because it is good for both you and the environment. You can hang a regular thermal curtain lining behind your choice of curtains, like this one from John Lewis. Get paint with low VOC. Painting a room is one of the cheapest ways to make it look brand new. But it's important to know that not every paint is the same. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs, are a group of bad chemicals that may be found in some paints. These can put harmful chemicals into the air for years after they're on your walls, says Paula Tinkler from Chic, a company that makes industrial chemicals. This is bad for the environment and even worse for you and your family because you could breathe in those chemicals for years to come. Up until recently, VOCs were necessary for paint to work. But new developments have made better paints easy to find. Just make sure to get a tin that says, low VOC. Stay away from carpet when you redecorate your home. Don't use carpet if you want to be as eco-friendly as possible. It's full of chemicals and pollutants that hurt the environment when it's made and then release different kinds of toxins into your home as it wears out. Also, even the toughest carpets need to be changed every 10 years. When you need to replace your floors, choose real wood only if you want to be as green as possible. Select out the right candle. There's nothing like the soft glow of a candle in the evening to set the mood in your home. But if you want to do the least amount of damage to the earth, be careful about which lights you pick. A lot of cheap candles have the same dangerous VOCs that regular paints do. The wick in some of them may also be made of metal to keep it burning straight. That's why you should only buy candles that are made from natural materials like soy or beeswax and scented with essential oils, like the ones at Love Lula. Biophilic design and natural components. In the fall of 2024, herbal decorations and biophilic designs bring nature inside, bringing our link to nature to the fore. This technique makes your home look better and makes it feel calmer. Wood, stone, and plants help connect indoor and outdoor areas, making the room feel calm. Stone countertops, indoor plants, and wood furniture with natural, unpolished finishes are all things that add texture and life to homes that follow this style. Lots of windows that let in natural light, water features, and natural color choices are all part of biophilic plans. These features make your home a natural haven where you can relax and feel at one with nature. Statement patterns and pieces. Make a statement with bold patterns and statement pieces in fall 2024 to make ordinary homes beautiful again. Geometric motifs, abstract art, and colorful floral prints are trendy, adding vitality and character to your house. These great styles can be used in wallpaper, rugs, and upholstery to provide visual interest. Large mirrors, interesting lighting, and big artwork grab attention and add drama to a room. Make sure to mix bold designs with more muted ones to avoid overwhelming gaps. Bold patterns and statement items let you express your creativity and define your room, whether you want a diffused or dramatic effect. Bring plants into your house. Plants in the house take in carbon dioxide and change it into oxygen. A lot of dangerous chemicals and pollutants are also soaked up by them, which cleans the air. Adding a houseplant or two to every room is an easy and stylish way to show that you care about the environment. Recycling and reusing old things. Don't buy new furniture or decorations. Instead, look at what you already have and think of new ways to use it. Reusing old things in new ways, like changing an old dresser into a stylish storage unit or using mason jars as planters or candle holders, cuts down on waste and adds a personal touch to your home. Reusing things can be fun and good for the environment. It can give your place personality without hurting the environment by making new things. The Fall 2024 decor is stylish, eco-friendly, and comfortable, and it will make your home look better. These new ideas give your room a lot of taste and personality. The vibrant, color schemes and cool era blends will make it feel smart and cozy. Using strong styles, comfortable textures, and natural elements, you can create a home that not only shows off the beauty of fall but also encourages authenticity and care for the environment. No matter if you like minimalist or maximalist style, Fall 2024's decor items can help you update your space in many ways. To remain in advance, bring the season's biggest styles into your home. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like, share and comment on video.